Welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. I'm your host Harshda. Get ready to start on exciting learning adventures with us. In today's episode, we are diving into an incredible journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hey there, future coding champs. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Scratch? Today, we are going to show you how to create your own Scratch account and get started with your coding adventure. So, let's go. Scratch is a place where you can create stories, games, animations, and share them with your friends all around the world. Like having a magic canvas for your imagination. Scratch uses a block based programming language designed especially for kids. It is easy to use and has lots of fun. It has an online community. Scratch provides a platform where children can share their projects, collaborate with others, and get feedback and learn from experienced programmers. And Scratch allows children to express their creativity, problem solving skills while developing important technical skills. So, why do you need a Scratch account? Well, let's find out. First, you will get the access to its all cool features. You can share your own projects, comment on other projects, and even create project groups called studios. You can save your amazing work and access it from any computer with an internet connection. So, your awesome projects are always there with you. You get to join a community of kids who love to create just like you. You can make friends, share ideas, and be inspired by their amazing projects. So, let's get started with creating our account. So, this is the step-by-step guide to sign up process. First, we have to go to this Scratch website by typing scratch.mit.edu in your browser. In your birthday, choose a fun username, create a strong password. Yeah, but don't share it with everyone. Agree to the terms of service and then sign up. And you will receive an email to verify the account. And click on the email, and boom, your account is ready. Let's go again. Let me show you now. So let me type scratch.mit.edu. This is the website. I have already one account on this. Let us create one more. Let us click on join. We can take any username. I've taken this username and let us see some password. Keep anything as your password. Now select the country you live in. Here I will select when were you born? Whenever you are born, the year. Well, what's your gender? Then you have to type your email address. On create. So we have logged in. So this is the way you can just start and get started. So you just have to confirm your email. When you log into that particular email, you will just get a link to confirm it. Your account is ready. Now let's explore the Scratch account homepage. Now see that menu bar at the top? It's like your command center. You can easily find your profile, your projects and more. So this one is for creating a new project. This one is for exploring the other projects. These are some ideas. This is about Scratch, and these are some messages from Scratch team. And here you will be able to see your own stuff. So currently this will be empty. The shared projects, your studios and Scratch. So you can check on the explore. You will find many different other projects which are already shared. Animations, art, related to games, music, stories, and even tutorials. You can just check and see the code. Here are some ideas. So Scratch team has given some activity guides. You can use that and try to create any new game. You can go to this, and step by step you will be able to see this. How to add a backdrop, how to add a character. So you can just follow along with it, and you can follow along to our tutorials step by step and try some new projects. You can also go to your profile. Here I have confirmed my account. We have got access to this. Now here we can change our profile pic as well. I want this cat image. Added this as the. You can write something about yourself. Love to code. I study in PIC school. Like create fun animation, like that. What I am working on, you can mention something like what you currently working on. I am on a shooter game, and you can share your projects and explore other projects. As we have seen, with your Scratch account you can create awesome projects, share them with friends, and even inspire others with your creativity. Don't forget. So what are you waiting for? Let's create your Scratch account and start this exciting coding journey. Thanks for joining us, and remember, coding is all about having fun, being creative, and making new friends. Until next time, happy coding. Bye bye.